Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to blend in Capcut PC. So if you want to add two clips and you want to go ahead and blend it onto the other clip, then you're onto the right guide. So the first thing that we need to do in here is to add in the videos that we want to use. So here under media, you could simply import the videos or photos that you want to add. Click onto this and you should be able to get located onto your folders and you could browse through the different files that you want to add. Or simply you could go ahead and drag and drop the videos that you want to use in here. So for example, we're going to use these two videos in here. We're going to click onto this plus icon to add in the track. So this blend option is actually recommended if you're actually doing green screen, but we'll try this video clip that we have in here. So just for an example. So we're going to adjust it just like that. And we're going to go ahead and remove the background for this. So there are two options that you could do. So actually you could do the cut out option in here, when you could auto cut out the human figure in here and it will automatically cut out the human in here, or you could simply do the chroma key option to go ahead and add in a color picker. So this one is ideal if you're actually having this a green screen video. So this is not applicable onto the clip that I have. So we're going to use auto cutout instead. And as you can see, it will process and the cutout is already completed. So you could go ahead and resize it just like that. And as you can see, for us to be able to blend this onto the other video, we're going to click onto the basic in here and just make sure that this one is toggled on, the blend. Now, if you expand this, there are a lot of modes to choose from. You could change the opacity for that as well. And under the modes, there are different options to choose from. We have brighten, screen, darken, overlay, hard light, and many more. So you'll just have to choose onto which one applies onto your video. And for this one, we have overlay, we have hard light, or many more in here. You'll just have to choose onto which one looks best. And I think for this one, we're just gonna opt for the normal effect. So right after, you could just simply go ahead and adjust the opacity as per your liking to blend this onto the video that you have. And if you're satisfied already, you'll just have to click onto the export button and click onto export again to save this one onto your device. You could do a quick preview as well once you're done. And that is just basically it on how you blend in Capcut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.